What up guys, this is Phon-Er Gold, this is vlog 193. We just got to Burbank, California, and we are going to fix an iPhone 6 rear cam and screen that just cracked a few days ago. I should just called right now, and it's Sunday today, so everything else is closed, so we're the only one literally open and available. Of course, not just open, just not answering phone calls, which many people do on Sundays and 24 hours, like past the regular working hours. So yeah, we are here in this cool studio. I can't really mention the name for private reasons because it's a private studio. So meantime, let's get this thing going and show you guys how to drop. So hey guys, let's get this thing started. Down here. Then I think you took the phone, right?
No, you had it in your truck.
So how was everything with you? Good?
It's amazing. I'm going to New York in 2 days.
Yay!
Yes.
Is it for like a special?
For business.
Nice. It's cool. Businesswoman. I like you. Me like you. It's cool. Dope.
I wanna. Can I watch?
Yeah, obviously. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you to walk away now.
Hey, yeah. Is DJ here? Did you just shower? Oh, you bought a new towel.
I remember her. Hey, how are you? I was thinking, you know what I was thinking of her? I was thinking of her as being from the movie, that thing movie from the freaking, you know, that
I'll
movie.
let you know.
That scary movie.
But I know. What?
No, it's that movie with the Twilight. You look like the girl from there.
Oh, I know. Oh my gosh, I know. Oh, Bella.
Yeah, the very first day that you were her, but I was like, oh, like I don't like it because like that's like I don't want to scare them.
Are you serious?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want to see a picture.
No,
When he's done fixing my phone.
It looks identical to her. Like you will never think it's her. It's scary. Kind of old school sweetheart, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, it's cool. So it's all good. How about that?
Thank you.
Sure, of course. And then yeah, so I'll definitely have the lens for you. I just have it on camera. That's why I wanted to do it, like for just a second. You guys, look, this screen is bad luck, so we're gonna make it more crack. That's the stupidest video in the world. Okay. Hey guys, and that will conclude the video. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and this will conclude vlog 193, and that is a fucking out. Peace. Cut. What up guys, we just finished that phone. This is vlog 193, and she's super psyched. I gave her like a $40 discount because she just has really good energy, and her job entails helping the charities and poor.
Proceed about 2 miles
to contribute some way, in some type of way, and I did, and I felt so good about it. And well, I'm gonna go back there. I'm gonna fix her friend's phone. That is also bad, and her lens on the back, her rear lens just cracked. She just slammed it. She just slammed it to the corner of the desk or something. I can't remember why, how, but I think she just dropped it on the floor. I'm not sure. But anyways, so yeah, I just felt good about it, and it's always a good thing to pay it forward, especially for those that really deserve it. And just the feeling of like you help somebody, it's just priceless, and it makes your whole day just go wild and awesome. Anyways guys, that'll be all. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and that will conclude vlog 193. Anytime, have a beautiful day. Keep your energy up and only manifest the best, nothing but. So peace. Cut. That's a wrap.